let me call on David PDF. Thank you very much for joining us. Please talk to us. Good evening to you, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Please, can you hear me?
Yes, you are good, sir. Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. First of all, I want to pray for everybody. Everybody. If you be, my own prayer different. If you dey eat food when salt dey, you dey bath with water, and a woman born you, and your leg dey touch ground, and you support this bad government, then you see say the government not favor you, and you run go embassy, you want go apply for visa, they go deny you. Now food when you cook, now you go shop. You don't cook am, you go shop am. Now all of us now did this thing. Now all of us go see here. Since you don't want support good government, you say now your village the person for come. Now your tribe person, your father and the father, they be friends. And you know say this person not go do the right thing we supposed to do, but you see the support am. If you go embassy, you want to go apply for visa, they will deny you. That one, they one side. I don't know whether you're not supposed to follow the news of Israel and Palestine. Palestine, that is Hamas, they launch rockets from Gaza to Israel. Their prime minister, Israel prime minister, the interview when he grant that very moment, he say Palestine don't call for war and they go retaliate and they go win. Now Israel na Christian country. Now there all this pastor when call God, not be God call them. Now all of them they run, they go. Their prime minister not call all his citizens, say me all of them, may they run, go temple, may they go, they pray. They retaliate all of the day news. You be Nigerian, you they wait, say me your daddy Gio, or your mommy Gio, or your prophet or your prophetess, may they tell you say you need to fight for your country. Or God, you're the waste time. Your pastor, because as far as I'm concerned, now you call God, not be God call you. I not care the kind of man of God when you be. Your daddy Gio know say if government provide all the social amenities when citizens need for their country, security, better school, good road, jobs, everything when citizens supposed get for their country, they know say their members go decrease drastically. For example, if you get 1 million members before, maybe now only 50, now you they see for church. They know since when you tell they go church over 33 years or over 40 years, when you tell be prayer warrior, I not say me not be prayer warrior. Find one day, any day from now, only you want to sit down, carry plain sheet of paper, carry barrel, list all your prayer points. You go see say 99.9% of your prayer points are what the government supposed to do, not be what God go do. If you wake up in the morning, thank God for gift of life, you continue with your day. But no, if your daddy Gio not open Bible, you not go open. You dey wait, may your daddy Gio come tell you say, come outside. May may you take your country back. You go wait till